Hi friends, and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how to create a QR code for your Facebook page. Please, friends, subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to put likes under this video, and be sure to write your comments after watching it. So, dear friends, let's get started. First of all, please open the Facebook app on your device. And after you open the Facebook app, you will most likely be taken to your main account. And in order to switch to the page, just go to the menu section at the bottom, on the right-hand side. Next, you'll need to click right here. And from the list of your accounts and pages, select the one you want, click on it, and you'll automatically be taken to your page. Next, friends, please open the page itself, go to it. Now you're going to need to click on the three dots and then scroll down. And this is where you'll see the very bottom item. Yours will be the link to the page here, or there will be an option to copy the link to the page. It doesn't matter how you have it signed, click here. And as you can see right away, that link will be copied. And now, friends, you will need to open any web browser. In my case, it's Safari. And as you can see, I have already searched in advance for phrases like QR code generator or QR code generator. You can type in exactly the same thing. And here you will be shown a lot of sites where you can easily create such a QR code. But personally, I prefer to choose this site. It is called QR Code Monkey, so you open the site. Then, at the top, click here. To add the link that you copied from Facebook earlier. As you can see, it automatically links to the site itself. But in order to change it to your link, click here on this line. Next, delete the link to the site. Now click and hold and select Insert. As you can see, the link copied to the Facebook page has appeared. And now, friends, you can go to the very appearance of your future QR code. To do this, you can click right here to choose, for example, the color of it. Click right here. And here you can choose the color, tone, and so on of your future QR code. After that, friends, you can also add a logo if you need. I, for example, will add Facebook. After that, also you can choose some more details related to your future QR code. For example, how the dots on the QR code will look like. Also, you can choose some other things. And after you're done, friends, at the bottom, scroll down to this colored square and click Create QR Code. And wait just a few seconds, and as you can see, the QR code will be created right away. Now you will need to save it. For this purpose, you can use one of the ways which I will tell you. The first one is just to make a screenshot of the screen. To do this, you will need to press the off button and the top sound button at the same time. Or you can also save an image like this. To do this, click on Download PNG. Wait a few seconds for everything to load. It's not a very long process. As you can see, everything is now loaded. Next, click Upload. And you'll see this blue arrow at the bottom near the site name. Click on it. And click on Download. Here you will be able to see your QR code, which you have just downloaded to your phone. Now you have a created QR code for your Facebook page, which you can share or show to people so that they go and join your page. Friends, this is how you can create QR codes for Facebook page. I really hope this video helped you and was useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put likes and write comments. See you, friends.